Hi, I'm Ronald, your SCS representative from Team 7. Today we are going to review how to use the table of contents function on Google Docs. Here's where to find this. So take a look here. We have this beautiful document, but the problem is it takes forever to get down to the questions, especially for those students who want to get the work done as quick as they can. Now, by making a table of contents, we can solve this. Now I'm going to change this to heading because this has to be done in order for the table so for it to appear in the table of contents. I'm going to do that again here and apply heading 2. Now I'm going to go back to the questions, which is all the way down on page 6. All I have to do is highlight and replace it with a heading. Now I can scroll back up to the very beginning, insert a table of contents, and voila, here it is. But let me just move the image aside first. Now there's a link to each spot in the article, and it also shows you the page numbers. Here you are. Ta-da! From the SCS team, thank you and have a great day.